the Junior here. For those of you that don't know me, I'm a driver for EMPI Racing Team. We are unboxing the EMPI Micro Stub kit. What that is, it's a disc brake kit set up for 930 CV axles, which is an upgrade that we're going to be doing to our Class 5 1600 right here. Let's take a look at what's inside. Alright, first of all, we have our EMPI Micro Stubs right here. Take a look at that. It's a really high quality product. Looking forward to putting that on. We have our brake caliper mounts right here. Really strong and sturdy. See that right there. We have our hub and bearing assembly. Two of those, obviously. Really strong. See the splines on that are really good. Let's see, we have our brake rotors and the caps right here. Two of those, obviously. Two caps. Our really nice roll-up brake calipers. Super excited to be running these. Check that out. Quality. Super excited about that. And then obviously we have our little pads right here to put in there. Those two we got. We have the wheel adapters with the EMPI center cap and the lug nuts. See that right there. It says EMPI. Really nice finish. Looks really good. But most importantly, it's functional. So we're excited about that. Obviously, two of those, and nice little bag of hardware here. Everything you can think of back there, all supplied by EMPI. So super excited about that. Can't wait to put this on. We debuting that setup on this car here at the Mint 400. So keep an eye out. We're going to be doing pretty good now that we have that. We're excited. So thank you, Rob, and thank you, EMPI.